Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Birds in nature really make my day every time I see them, and I can really enjoy them thanks to this awesome bird feeder from Lilyang. This well-made feeder has a really pretty vintage copper handcrafted texture to it. It has handled the elements at the end of winter where I live so well, whether it be snow, ice, rain, or high winds. The backyard friends that have come up to it are a really pretty variety and they really enjoy it. It took them about 3 days and then they felt completely comfortable coming up to the window. The suction cups on this feeder have held really well to the window also. They are nice and strong, they haven't moved, they haven't slid down, so I'm really impressed that this feeder has stayed exactly where I placed it in the beginning. The wide view lets me watch my little bird friends up close. So it's like I have my very own nature documentary right at my window. It holds a ton of seeds and it also has a great grill here that you can see, so it drains easily. You don't have to worry about rain making it all yucky, but rather the seeds are always there so that the birds can enjoy it. This already came assembled, so it really could not have been any simpler. Being able to watch the birds adds such a simple but really beautiful thing into my day. My cats have been enjoying it as well, so we're all having lots of fun watching the birds up close and they're getting a really yummy meal in the process. But that's just my point of view.